So lately, there's been a lot of talk about disinfecting and cleaning inside and outside of our homes, and it's super important. I think for a lot of us, we're running to the stores and we're looking for bleach and we're looking for wipes and we're looking for hand sanitizers. And I think for many, we realize that those supplies are still in short supply, and so it's difficult to find. So I wanted to offer some different options that you can find at the store. Now, certainly bleach is a terrific product when it comes to disinfecting, but it's a very strong product and you have to be very careful when you're using it. Now, dilution is very important when you're using bleach. You'll notice on the back of the bottle, it'll tell you if you use a half a cup of bleach and a gallon of water, that will give you a disinfectant to use on non-porous surfaces. This is the key thing you got to remember when you're using bleach. So things like countertops or door handles or touch points inside your home. I'll tell you what, if you mix a half gallon of this with a gallon of water and leave it in a bucket and then use a bunch of rags so that you're not using so many paper towels, it can really go a long way. Dip the rag, wring it out, I'd wear gloves, wipe down those areas, doorknobs, handles, all those high touch areas inside your home. Now, Pinesol has been around a long time. It is also a disinfectant when you use it full strength and you get that nice pine smell. It is not as harsh as bleach, but again, you have to really follow the instructions on the bottle to make sure that you're using it properly. You may be familiar with a product called Krud Kutter. They make a disinfectant as well. Maybe not as well known, but this will kill that same 99% that everybody's looking for. And it comes in an easy spray bottle and it's not as harsh. It kills it all without the use of bleach. And these are products that you can use both inside and out. But I want to move outside a little bit when it comes to treating the exterior of your home. Now, Wet and Forget has been around a long time and they make a great line of products. And this hose end product, when it comes to cleaning up outside, does a terrific job. Now, what's unique about this product is you put it on the end of a garden hose and it can spray up to 30 feet. So for those hard to reach areas where you've got some discoloration on the outside of your home, maybe the roof, maybe the siding, you can use this and it'll cover 2,000 square feet. So it really does a terrific job and it's easy to use. Now, I will tell you that when you're using this product, it's really important to pay attention to the vegetation around your home. You want to kind of hose that down first with some water. Then when you use the Wet and Forget treatment, you go ahead and water it down at the end of that, because the idea is that once it coats those areas, there's residual value and it'll start to kind of munch up all that organic material. And in about 30 days, it's going to look amazing. There's a lot of options when it comes to cleaning up inside and outside of your home. So just make sure you're reading labels and using the products properly.